Hi there, it's Sunday at noon. Welcome to another Smash or Trash. Remember inventions like car running on water? Not so much? How about things like cheap box OBD for $12? Or the electric fan supposed to be a turbine? Or the regular fan supposed to be a turbine? That's all nothing. Imagine you have your beauty, say Peugeot 1.4, petrol, no turbo, but you wish to get flashy on a party and do something like this. You think you need to install a turbine or a compressor and map them out to make such a flame pillars? No. The Chinese scientists invented it a long time ago, and me and my friend ordered a gizmo that it's supposed to be a flamer kit to make these huge pillars sprout out of the exhaust. But first we unbox it. It came straight from China, and you know how it is these days. Let's go! Am I ready to unbox a package from China? Am I stunned? Can I do it? Okay, jokes aside, life is about being fearless. Jokes are jokes. What have we got? Oh my, I like it already. I see it ain't gonna be easy. Okay, this looks like a power button. There's a spark plug for the exhaust. Let's get rid of these mittens. There's a spark plug for the exhaust. We have a coil we need to plug. Cable is not included, so we will improvise. This will probably disturb the spark on the ignition coil, making the fuel travel to the exhaust. So pressing the magic button will activate the spark plug and ignite the exhaust. But since it's a package from China, look, danger, flamethrower kit for off-road use only. So that's how you assemble it. Understood? If you don't get the blueprints, that's how you do it. These must be lights or washers, or maybe injectors. Yeah, these are injectors. This is the power button. It looks just like this one here. This must be our coils. No way. Okay, jokes aside. This translation to oil nozzle, that is petrol. Car coils here. Okay, the worst part is coming up. We have to set it up and see if it works. If it works, I wonder what will blow up first. Playing with gasoline is never safe. Our protagonist is a retiring Peugeot 2006, 1.4 I think. It's one of our first replacement cars we've used for almost 2 years. Our customers killed it, so it's up for its last journey. Let's try to beat the Chinese scientists and set it up so that it works at all. If it doesn't, we will try to cut the ignition ourselves and see what leaks out. We are what, 30, 40 minutes into it? 40 minutes of work. During this time, our Polish scientists started constructing, basing on Taiwanese technology. It has to be something like this. This wire to that wire, together they fire. Generally, we have to connect to the injector, so that it cuts fuel. No, so that it cuts ignition. Then every few cycles the fuel will overflow so much that it reaches the exhaust. We still have to drill a hole in the exhaust pipe, assemble the plug, set up the coil. Get me the coil, Adi. They didn't include the spark plug boot, so we have to improvise. And you know what? Don't do this at home. This will be ground here, right? No? We will see. These are the specifications here, like 1 centimeter. Precision is the key. Here, okay. 1 centimeter from the edge of the exhaust and 2 something from the wall. Dude, it's gonna blow up. You are wondering how much it cost. The thing was around $60. With fireworks like that, the wolves will surely scream, "Oh yeah!" But it was supposed to be scrapped anyway. That's had its day, so let's proceed. Looks like the first stage was successful. No need to take the button inside. Let's spare some cables here. Don't look at how the engine works. It's in agony anyway. Let's just start it. Nice. Put it to 1000 RPM. Or 2. Let go. Something is happening there because I can stall it if I want. What's going on in here? Action. Full action. Watching the pro. Okay, we'll tape it here somehow. Just put it up here, right? It's just the cables might burn. Very professional. I wonder what lies up first, exhaust or installation? You're not saying anything. I'm not sure. He's not sure. Okay, let's do this. Elapsed time, a couple of hours. Everything seems to work, but no fire spits out. We have almost all of the installation set up now, because at first we didn't want to connect it all to the coil. I have to film myself, that's the worst part. How about a look back? Is it right? Is it right? I'm waiting for Stan here. He's off to install something. I can show you how it works. We have a spark in the exhaust. There's a huge amount of fuel leaking, but it won't light up. We are afraid something is going to blow. Lucas already said we should max it out. We will show you how it works again. Okay, start it. A bit more. The camera doesn't see the spark, but the spark is there. We have to keep trying. If we don't make it, we don't make it. Sometimes there's nothing you can do. We'll make these flames differently. We can cut something off the main fault. A little update, is that right, Mr. Łukasz? That's right. Kubuś, we modified it, right? Right. We have a lot of power on the coil. There's the coil. The voltage is so high it burned the spark plug booth. Second try coming up. I hope it lights up now. There's so much gas flowing, I'm afraid it's gonna blow. Kuba watches a lot of stuff. He will make it. Fix something up here, cut a little there. Looks like we fix it. Once again. And there it is, baby. Well, well. Oh boy. I'm excited like a little kid. Wait till we turn the lights off, but you can already see something is happening. Okay, ignore all this. What counts is that this gave us results. How far you can go modifying your car? Is this redneck tuning? No, I don't know. You decide. I like one thing though. It's a lot of fun. It's dangerous as hell and I would never put it on my car. Some people do though, but I always wanted to check it out. So let's move to the back and do it. Attention boys, that's gonna be fire! Summing up, I have to say this one is actually a smash, really. Everyone is grinning, having loads of fun. Other uses apart from being fast and furious? Sure, you don't need to go for a bonfire. Check this out. Łukasz ate it and he's fine. At least he says he is. We will see tomorrow. Is it worth it though? I don't know. Decide for yourself. I like making episodes like this one, checking stuff out. I once watched an American channel. They tried to set one of these up and it didn't work. Probably didn't connect it right. So, did you enjoy yourselves like I did? So give us a thumbs up and share the video. Write about what you want to see in the Smash or Trash series. But double check if it hasn't been on yet. See ya!